I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this video, we will learn the Softmax function and why it is used to turn scores into probabilities. The Softmax formula takes one score at a time, raises e to that score, and divides by the sum of all exponentials. Suppose a model gives 3 scores for cat, dog, and bird, 2.0, 1.0, and 0.1. These scores are not probabilities yet. Step 1. Compute the exponentials. E to the 2 is about 7.39. E to the 1 is about 2.72. E to the 0.1 is about 1.11. Step 2. Add them up. 7.39 plus 2.72 plus 1.11 gives 11.22. Step 3. Divide each exponential by the total. This gives us the softmax probabilities. Now we can visualize the probabilities. The largest score becomes the highest probability, and all probabilities add up to 1. Softmax always produces positive values that sum to 1, so it is perfect for turning model scores into probabilities. Thanks for watching.